Hi guys, my name is Christian Buntilao from TVL ICT Intelligence. So, for today's video, we will talk about evaluating functions. So, evaluating function is simply to plug and chug. So, it means inserting a certain value for the variable x to get the result of y. For example, evaluate the function f of x is equals to 2x plus 4 for x equals 5. So we have f of x, which is 5, is equals to 2 times 5 plus 4. So we need to simplify our equation. So, so 2 times 5, that is 10, plus 4 is equal to 14. So our f of 5 is equals to positive 14. So let's have another example. If f of x is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 2, find f of negative 3. So, we need to plug this negative 3 to our functions. So let's have f of negative 3 is equals to negative 3 squared plus 3 times negative 3 minus 2. So we need to simplify this. So negative 3 squared, that is 9. Then 3 times negative 3, that is negative 9 minus 2. So our f of negative 3 is equals to 9 minus 9, which is 0, minus 2, and we have negative 2. And this is our final answer.